Hello YouTube, this is Gallagher123123 and I am back with a video that I hope will be interesting to some of you. This one we're going to be comparing the sound quality of the Echo Dot second generation with the third generation. Now before we actually do that, let's do a quick size comparison. On the left here is the second generation and on the right is the third gen. So if I put this one, yeah, you can tell there's a bit of difference here if I stack them on top of each other. But the main thing I want to do here is let you hear a bit of how they sound. Now I'm using the Sennheiser Ambio headset, so hopefully that will provide some clarity and you'll be able to tell some difference. So I'm going to start with the second generation. Now a bit about the wake words that I'm using. For the second generation Echo Dot, I am using AMAZON. And for the third gen, I am using ALEXA. So if you use any of those wake words, you may want to mute your Echo so it does not listen to you. Alright, let's get into it. First, I'm going to ask the second generation, Amazon, what time is it?
The time is 4:29 p.m.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 4:29 p.m.
You could probably tell there's definitely a bit more bass in the sound of the third gen. Amazon, tell me a joke.
What's the best thing about Switzerland? I don't know, but their flag is a huge plus.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did the turtle break up with the giraffe? They never saw eye to eye.
Now, let's see if I can hear some audio from the two speakers. Let's get the news briefing because I have some audio content. Amazon, play my flash briefing.
Colin, here's what's new. From The Daily Show with Trevor Noah.
Tonight's debate was the smallest one yet, with only 7 candidates on the stage. It was also the whitest debate yet. No Julian Castro, no Kamala Harris, no Cory Booker.
Alright, let's go to next.
Debates are like horror
Amazon next.
In today's CNET Tech Today update.
Today's segment is brought to you by NetSuite by Oracle, the cloud-based business management software that gives you the visibility and control you need to grow. NetSuite is offering their free guide, 7 Key Strategies to Grow Your Profits, at netsuite.com/cnet.
This is CNET, and here are the stories that mattered this week. A new Instagram feature will notify users when their captions on a photo or video may be considered offensive and will give them the chance to write something else before posting, parent company Facebook said in a blog post on Monday. Instagram added a similar
Amazon,
feature
stop.
on comments earlier this year.
Amazon,
The additions...
stop. And now I'll play some of that same audio on the third gen. Alexa, play my flash briefing.
Colin, you have a few unheard stories. In today's CNET Tech Today update.
Oh, continue.
Today's segment is brought to you by NetSuite by Oracle, the cloud-based business management software that gives you the visibility and control you need to grow. NetSuite is offering their free guide, 7 Key Strategies to Grow Your Profits, at netsuite.com/cnet.
This is CNET, and here are the stories that mattered this week. A new Instagram feature will notify users when their captions on a photo or video may be considered offensive and will give them the chance to write something else.
So you get the idea. This one definitely third gen sounds quite a bit better. And do one other fast one. I'll play a piece of music. We'll go with the album that we have used in other videos. I'll just play a very quick bit of it. Amazon, play A State of Mind by Andre Louis.
Playing A State of Mind by Andre Louis from Colin's Apple Music.
Amazon, stop. Alexa, play A State of Mind by Andre Louis.
Playing A State of Mind by Andre Louis from Colin's Apple Music.
Now you can probably tell that sounds a heck of a lot better. Amazon's... Oops. Alexa, stop. Okay. So that's pretty much it for the comparison. I'll make a quick few notes. One, both of these... Sorry, it's... both of these speakers are on volume 5. And I believe they have the same control buttons. I'll just quickly take a look here. So you have your... Now, if you have the plug facing in the back, or the kind of where you reach, like if you have it behind you there, you'll feel 4 buttons: volume up, down, microphone mute, and the action button. See if it's the same here. Yep, it has the same order on here. Now, on the Echo Dot 2nd generation, the plug is micro USB. Might be able to see, yep. And it is something custom on the 3rd gen, which is a bit of a shame because I like the micro USB part better, but is what it is. And both of these also have a jack where you could hook up a speaker to, you know, another speaker. So with that is a comparison of the Amazon Echo Dot's 2nd and 3rd generation. Stop. Okay, sorry. And I hope you've found this, useful if you have the idea of which one you want to buy. I don't know if you can still get the 2nd generation. I'm guessing probably not at this point, but you still might be able to find some good deals on them. It's still a good little device. But the 3rd generation definitely wins in the audio quality department. Okay, well, I hope you found this useful. I have more exciting content to come, so please stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
We hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe for more, and feel free to comment. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, @Gallagher123123. Thank you for watching, and we will see you soon.